All right, what's up, everybody? Look, it seems as if Solana is about to have one of its main, key, most important charts put in an all-time high extremely soon. So I'm going to show you what that chart is and show you why this could be extremely important for Solana going forward. So the chart that we're going to be taking a look at today is the Solana Ethereum chart. What you can see here is that Solana put in an all-time high against Ethereum back in the beginning phases of 2022 / the end of 2021, understandably. It put in that high right around that 0.0562 level. And of course, from that point forward, Ethereum basically outperformed Solana for the remainder of the next year and a half. But coming up towards the end of 2022, what you can see here is that Solana did put in what looks to be a very strong double bottom, going from that point forward to break out from that descending trend, continuing upwards all the way throughout all of 2023 and now 2024. And it seems as if at this given point, Solana is going to look to get some type of retracement to the downside before likely making another move to the upside, eventually breaking that Solana Ethereum all-time high and going into price discovery on the Solana Ethereum chart. Now, your first question may be, what does that mean? Well, what that means is that Solana's price is now outperforming Ethereum on a rather consistent basis. And one thing that a lot of the Ethereum maxis say is that, when times get good or when times get bad, Ethereum is the place where everyone goes to when the altcoin season microcap cycle starts. And what you can see here is that in these little mini micro cycles in which we see altcoins going up, whenever we see things doing extremely well in the altcoin market, the microcaps, the meme coins, etc., people have not been going to Ethereum as much. They're going to other places, and Solana is one of the main places they're going to. And whenever you see an airdrop like we saw yesterday with Jupe, right? It shows the extent, it shows just how far people can take this. I mean, for that thing to launch at a $4.5 billion market cap, for millions and millions of dollars to be minted and liquidity being injected into the Solana ecosystem at once, that's only going to add fuel to the fire of how Solana has been outperforming Ethereum. And so because of that, in my opinion, it's the reason why whenever I'm dollar cost averaging, I'm either buying just as much Solana as I am Ethereum or more Solana than I'm investing in Ethereum, because people just don't understand that we saw huge problems with Solana last bull market. Yes, we did. That is true. The chain wasn't reliable. Things were going wrong. The ecosystem kind of sucked, things of that nature, right? But at the end of the day, we were only using Ethereum if we had to use Ethereum. All these game developers, all these companies that were launching on ETH, they were only launching on ETH if they had to launch on ETH. No one really wants to pay that much gas. No one really wants to wait that long. It's just not that good of a chain if you're actually trying to operate on it consistently. And Solana is showing right now that it can easily fill that role that Ethereum was kind of unable to do in a very consistent manner. So at this given point, whenever you see something like the Solana ETH chart already getting near an all-time high, and we're at the beginning of a bull run, it tells me that we quite easily could see that continue with Solana outperforming Ethereum for the macro, outperforming it for the rest of this year maybe. And yes, there will be ups and there will be downs. Ethereum will do well at some point, and Solana won't do well at some points. That's normal, right? But at the end of the day, it seems to me as if Solana is getting ready to surpass Ethereum in terms of its overall performance. And does that mean Solana flips Ethereum one day? I don't really know. But what I do know is that when crypto gaming pops back off and we see all of these crypto gaming companies really get ready to go and they start targeting Solana, we easily could see Solana catching up to Ethereum, at least one day, in my opinion. And you guys know we've been talking about Solana for the last 2 to 3 weeks, or 2 to 3 times a week for the last 2 to 3 years when everyone else gave up on it. So you guys know that we kind of look out for this thing. And yes, I have a little bit of bullish bias, but at the end of the day, the chart speaks for itself. This thing is getting prepared to, it seems like, surpass that all-time high on the Solana ETH chart. And I think the proof is just in the work. The proof is just in the pudding, and what's happening on chain right now shows that. So with that in mind, I just want to give you an update because I've been watching that thing closely, and I wanted to pull the trigger after the Jupiter airdrop just once that thing was successful so that we could show, look, this thing can fill the role that Ethereum has filled for a very long time. So it might be time for Ethereum to kind of take a step back. So with that in mind, I wanted to give you a quick video. Of course, I hope you guys do enjoy these quick updates. I will be back in Louisiana in about 7 hours. We're going to just go ahead and head out. So, of course, I hope you guys did enjoy. We'll see you all next time. Peace out, everybody.